Hello, good day everyone. I'm Wallace from Guangzhou Dazzleview. Hereby I'm going to introduce you our AI features in our latest operation system, DZV operation system 5.0. It is mainly in the whiteboard application with the AI pen function here, and also our individual AI function of 4 categories here. So let's explore together for you. So 4 is the smart graphics recognition with recognition of mainly the square, circles, and triangle. Let me draw for you. Okay, this is square. This is circle. This is a triangle. You can see here we will specify the angles data on each corners, which is very clear for the student to understand. Okay, the second function is the OCR, which is optical character recognition, which is for the recognizing the hand drawing text. For example, I set the settings with the language of Chinese that it will recognize Chinese, like 宣示, which is our Chinese name in Chinese company name, and you can recognize like this. Besides the Chinese, we also have other language selection. For example, English, just hit the settings here and select the English, which is for US. So it's Dazzleview, our company name in English. And the same way, Spanish. And this, Señorita. Portuguese, the same. Okay. And also Hindi, actually, Hindi. Like this. Anyway, our OCR function can recognize over 90 languages from different countries, which is, you can just do the settings here, select the OCR language, which is containing mainly most of the major language system in the world. And then select one, and then download here. It's very fast for you to use. Okay. And lastly, for the AI pen, we have also the stick figures recognition, which is recognize the hand drawing shape that you draw, like this. So besides the OCR function to help you recognize the letters you draw, we have another function to help you to make your hand drawing contents into the things you really want. For example, I put a football here by drawing, and then select it. You can see we can change the colors of it like this. It's very easy. And then besides that, we can change it into the formal letters in printings like this. There's other more, like the search it on the Google. You can see we can generate search results from the browser, and then with the drawings and pictures here, we can, if you want to use this type of photo and pictures, we can just drop it with long press and drag it into the whiteboard to use freely. It's very convenient for your use. Also, we can use the AI tool to help us to definition football. The letters here you wrote on the whiteboards. Again, you first select it, and then transfer it into the printing letters like this, and then select it again. You can see there is an AI selection here, which is helping you to generate a definition for the football, the words you write on the whiteboards like this. You can just press these buttons, then it will just directly forward to the whiteboard surface. And then also select it. Then you can freely adjust the letters and the size of the contents for definition. It's also very convenient for your use. Besides the recognition for the letters, we also have the function for recognition of the equation and also the formulas. For example, I wrote an easy equation here, like this 3 plus 4, and then select it, and use the buttons here, next. You can see you can directly work out the equation answers for you. But this is easy. How about difficult ones? For example, this is definitely you cannot work out by your own mind, I think, right? But here, use our selection function, the same, to work out the answers. See, really fast with our powerful chips and the equipment in the systems. Besides, we also have the recognition for the formulas and the functions here, like this. For example, I write formulas here and select it. And then hit this button and make it into graphics like this. It's very convenient. And undo it. Select it again. We can also make it into a printing type of the function for the class. So besides the whiteboards function with the AI features, we have also a powerful AI feature tools, which is individually in the sidebar. It's here with 4 categories: AI assistants, AI questions, AI recognitions, AI interpretations. Let's see for the AI assistant first. The AI system contains 3 parts, which is AI conversation, AI translation, and AI search. You can see here, AI conversation is just a simple conversation, just like we use with the other, like ChatGPT, like DeepSeek's conversation. Then you inputted the contents you want, and it generated the answers for you. For example, you can use you can start a conversation with robots and AIs. And here, you can also hold to speak with the microphone. Hello, I want to know more about football. And then, same as the others, big module of AI, it can generate the answers for you quickly. What we used just now, we can just lie here, copy it. It can be directly used on the whiteboard and then directly put it in the whiteboard. It's the same usage of what we used just now in the whiteboard. Okay, secondly is our translation function in the AI systems, which is same as most of our others function in translation. You can either input the contents by typings or by verbal in microphone like this. For example, 你好，今天天气不错。You see, it's very easy for you to use in the translation. So thirdly is our AI search in the AI assistants, which is same we can use in most of our AI modules. For example, I inputted pictures of Eiffel Tower, and then you can ask it what it is. So here the answers of what it is, and it shows this Eiffel Tower, which is a brief introduction of the pictures. The second of our AI features in the function is the AI question bank, which contains a lot of questions in the experience of the different grades, from first grade to high school, from countries from over 9 countries of different language. You can see, for example, I choose India, and I choose 6th grade maths, and choose the numbers of questions, and then generated the questions for you. So here is the generated result of the question. You can see here it is not English or Chinese. It's the Hindi that what we choose in the generating selection. So it is more easier for the classmate to understand. And you can also generate QR codes here for the classmate to scan it and make an answers. And after they make the answers, there's an answer results here with different statistics for the answers of this proportion and persons. And the answers here, if you analyze all these contents, we can insert in whiteboard also directly. So you can either input the other contents for explanation and details for these questions. It's also very easy for the class to understand. The third one of AI features here is the recognition of the image. You can either choose your photos or any image from the screens. For example, selected image here, which contains the AI, the Google's logos here, and you can directly generate the definition of this selected image with the contents here. As saved, you can either copy it for use and also insert it into the whiteboards. Just what we do in the others functions. 3D use here is also very convenient. So finally, I'm going to introduce you our last function in the AI features, the simultaneous interpretation, which is translation in the real time. Let's have a look. Here, still, there was over 20 language for option for recognizing the input verbal contents from target language, from original language to target language here, and system sound and or microphone as the audio source, and subtitle display for different position from the bottom, from the right top, and from the front row. Let's have a check. So you can see here, it is recognizing the verbal contents that you input to the microphone, and then it shows the original contents that you say, and the original translation of the contents accordingly. It's really easy and directly for the communication. So when you have an overseas customer coming to your meeting room, it will be a very convenient tools for you to use during your conversations. So the second way for the interpretation is by audio source from the system sounds, which means when you play a videos or audio files in your systems, it can recognize the original contents and the translation accordingly. Let's try. For example, I'm playing a video now with the English contents originally. And we can see the original English contents and the translation in Russian. It's real time and its accuracy